when you have bolts in a structural simulation, you need to apply a preload. In this video, I will show you how to apply a preload to a simple structure in SolidWorks Simulation. You don't need to model the bolts themselves. We will use a bolted connection instead. Here we have the plate dimensions, and if you like to design for yourself and simulate. So we start by creating a new study, calling it Preload, a static study. Apply material to all the parts. Alloy steel is fine. The connection should not be bounded, but it should be bounded is like the same part or glued together or something. It should be contact, and the contact should be considered when there is zero gap. Let's fix this part from this side and apply some load to this side. Let's apply it to some direction, normal to this direction, so normal to plane. Let's apply 500. And now the most important part, the connectors. You right click, you go to bolts, and there is all kind of bolts, but let's go with standard bolt. Choose this area, and the bottom for the nut, it should be here. It's always 1.5 times larger head than the diameter. The bolt should be considered, nut should be considered a rigid body, and the material is alloy steel too. But often in reality, often the joint members are much more stiffer than the bolt. So, but here we have the same material, and yes, the preload, I choose axial preload, and the important question is how much preload should be applied to a joint. It depends on the application, but the simple answer is as high as possible, but not so high that the clamping force damages the parts that are being joined together. So there is standards and the standards depends on the bolt diameter, which in our case is 16, and the grade. Let's say we have a grade 8.8. We choose 70,000 Newton. So let's say 70,000 Newton. And let's pin this to do the same bolt, same preload for the other. Here we go. Bam. Bam. And the last one. Bam. Bam. And there we go. Now we have applied the bolts, bolt connections, and as you can see, let's mesh this part and run the study. Let's mesh this fine and curved based mesh, and let's run this study. Yeah. Okay, so when the simulation is done, after 5 or 6 minutes, depending on your computer, the maximum stress is 332 megapascal and maximum displacement is 13 millimeters. You can hide the bolts to investigate the plates, and if you want to show the maximum stress, the location, you can just tick here and you can see the maximum stress is in this hole exactly between the plates. And if you want information about the bolts, you can right click here and list connector force, and you can see reaction forces or connector forces. You can see shear force, axial forces, bending moment, and torque in each bolt, if you want information about that. Yes, that's how you apply a preload in a simple structure. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.